I gotta get my scissors. Alright, so I got this giant box for those of you who missed it. My fucking mic is in the way. Hold on. Can you still hear me? Is that loud? I'm sorry. Here it is. Big box. Big box. We're gonna open it. My audio is laggy. Your face is laggy. I'm scared. I'm nervous. It's happening. Is it Alex? It's totally Alex, isn't it? Guy stuffed her in a box to send to me. It's a puppy. This is what I was told. What's this? Unwrap the present before opening this envelope. Oh my god, it's like gift wrapped and everything. Guy, what did you get? Ugh. What is it, you guys? What is it? What does this say? Hi, Samantha. OMG, WTF is this? From Guy Lordy. Is it the puppy? It's a brand new car! I don't think a car would fit in this bag. It might. Guy speaks English? What is English? Come on, bag. Work with me here. Oh my god, Guy, are you fucking kidding me? Now if I can get it out of the bag. Guy! I'm not telling you guys what it is yet, but I know. This fucking bag, okay? They made this the most impossible thing to open. It's a ton of porn! This is a butt plug, you guys. Thank you, Guy. Thank you. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so funny because I literally just saw this on Twitter and was like, oh, that's pretty. Look at it. Look at it. You guys can't see my legs, but they're doing like this right now. I can play! I can play games! Everybody give some love for Guy because he is fucking unreal. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna have to find time to set this up. But I don't know how streaming is gonna work. I think I need a capture card, right? Right? It's white like chair. It's white like chair. It's white like chair. Ooh. Overdrive, are you still alive? It's not as I'm not as white as it, so yeah, by me setting it up, I mean Overdrive can set it up. I can't.